we're getting honked.
Here, give me it.
Ow. How do you zoom in? Oh.
You don't. It won't let you.
It won't.
For some reason.
Okay, well, we're doing, what are we doing, Cory?
Honk if you think I'm sexy.
Can't
Car.
Woo! We got one!
Dang, everybody's honking.
I know.
In a car.
Let's go see her. Hi, Rachel.
Why are you in the car? What are you doing? Don't drop the camera.
Okay, well, so far before this, we got 2 honks already, so...
3 honks.
So that's 3 honks altogether.
No, 4 honks altogether.
4 honks altogether.
Yes. We're waiting for cars to come.
And while we're waiting, Cory is going to entertain us by running across the road singing...
Where's the car? It's car.
Okay. Here comes the car. Guess that one didn't think we were as sexy.
Some 7-year-old lady honked. Now a little girl wouldn't honk. Lame.
She probably has good taste. Okay, we have to listen to Cory sing Mary Had a Little Lamb.
It's a honey bun! Let me have it!
Be careful out there.
Okay.
We are.
I need videos.
Ain't the road to play on.
Some old lady honked.
You have to sing Mary Had a Little Lamb while we're waiting.
Mary had a little lamb.
Whose fleece was white as snow.
Whose face is white as snow.
Well, that was nice.
The camera doesn't want to see you.
Very entertaining.
Quit taking videos of yourself. You're ugly.
You're mean. Look at that beautiful smile for the camera. Wow.
No car coming this way. That's home.
I know. You can tell this is not a very busy road.
It usually is.
Usually, but it's a Saturday
You
cold.
guys like sit in your chairs and like honk. Yeah. Honk. Whoa, get a honk. Let me hold it up.
This is our house.
You had no honk.
One car.
Some like
Shed.
7-year-old man walked in like honk, honk.
Zoe.
What are you guys doing?
We're
Don't take a video of her. She can't fit. Hey, I like your hoodie.
Okay, I think a car's coming.
Sexy.
Yeah, we've already gotten
Yeah.
a few honks.
Every girl, lady, looked at she was like, and then she honked. 7-year-old? Yeah, they always honk like right
70 years.
We're just sitting together.
Okay. Okay. A car may be coming, but we can't tell yet.
A car coming this way. Oh, you like my
Okay.
Yeah, I know.
Get off the road a little.
I'm here, right,
Oh, another rejection.
Oh. Yeah.
Nice job.
If nobody honks, just honk that horn. I feel better. They will.
But Cory got another rejection, so nice job. So,
back up.
talk, Cory. No, I did. Talk about something.
Sexy bananas. Yeah.
That's
That was the night we all got drunk and found some Long Johns around the house and everything.
that was our best video. 100 views. Woo.
Car.
Mm.
Are you guys putting this on YouTube? Yeah.
Oh.
Living. Yeah, gonna honk.
Was that Rachel?
I got 2 honks. Okay, car. There's a
That was
car
Rachel.
there.
Cory, that was.
Everybody look.
Okay, we
I
got.
don't like you fat anyway. The other people honk.
Oh, that was Rachel. Wow, we've gotten a lot of honks. When people don't honk, if you figured out, our assistant Rachel honks this nice Toyota. I should have
Not a nice Toyota. It's like in 19 for Toyota.
I shouldn't have showed the license plate. But we are.
The video is about me.
We're doing well.
I'm gonna honk the horn too.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Tell her your name's Alyssa. Tell her your name. Just tell me.
My name's Alyssa.
His name's Cory, if you haven't noticed. My name's Zoe, and that's
I'm Rachel.
Rachel. Yeah.
The one in the car.
Assistant. Makes me feel better when nobody honks.
Is the wind blowing you away, Cory?
Yeah.
It's a nice day.
I have to shower and I'm.
About 50 degrees outside.
Hold my sign. I have to pick this up.
Nice one. And
Rolling Stones.
it's November 8th. And 2 days is my
2008.
birthday.
Give me my sexy sign.
sexy.
Back up.
A car is coming.
Is it on?
Oh. Nice try. We got another rejection.
Rejection.
Very sorry, Cory, that you're not getting a lot of honks for being sexy. I guess that explains one thing.
Dude, my brothers had a babysitter last night, and she goes to my school. She's in 7th grade, and
Why didn't you just say
she kept telling me I was sexy. I don't know. And you should have seen her climb a fence. It was hilarious.
Oh.
She was like,
Oh, here comes cars! Honk, honk, honk! Okay. We got 0 honks. We got 0 honks.
You're going like this with the kid. You're like,
Okay, let's see. Cory's like, it's Troy. Rachel, Cory's like,
honk 3 times. Honk 2 more times.
Cory was like, it's Troy.
That was a nice try, wasn't it? Okay. Wait, how do you stop it?
Press the button again.